Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Nikon D3300 with autofocus that is not working. I'll be going over some easy fixes in this full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I can barely speak properly. I'm just trying to get through the video. So essentially, if you have a Nikon D3300 DSLR camera like this and the autofocus is not working, these are 5 easy fixes that will hopefully work for you, and it's a full tutorial. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to go through them quickly, so make notes, try them out with your camera, and hopefully one of them fixes your problem with your own specific camera. Number 1, make sure the lens is set to autofocus. Sometimes you might have the autofocus selected on the camera's options over there, but if your lens is set to M, for manual focus, you're going to have difficulty. When your lens is set to M for manual focus, it's not going to autofocus. So make sure your lens is set to A for autofocus, okay? Very simple. And also make sure that the lens is installed correctly. Because sometimes if your lens isn't installed correctly, it's going to sense that it's on autofocus, but in reality it's manual focus, and you're going to think your autofocus isn't working. So make sure the lens is set properly. Number 2, make sure you didn't lock the focus, okay? Now there are options on most cameras, especially this one, to do AFL. So if you see AFL, that means autofocus is locked, and it's going to lock on to a specific thing that you locked it on. So make sure your autofocus is not locked. If it is, just turn the camera off, turn it back on, and it should remove that lock. Number 3, clean the camera lens. My camera lens right here is quite dirty, as you can see. Now, if your camera lens, and this level of dirtiness and smudginess does not affect the autofocus, but if it is significantly dirty, then it's going to affect the autofocus. Clean the camera lens with something very, 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 very soft. You don't want to use your shirt or anything like that to clean the camera lens. You want to use something very soft, specifically a lens cloth or even a microfiber cloth. But yeah, clean the camera lens, because if it's significantly dirty or smudgy, it's going to affect the ability to autofocus on things, okay? Number 4, clean the viewfinder. Now, having a dirty viewfinder will not affect the camera's ability to autofocus, but having a dirty viewfinder will make it look like it's not focused. So in reality, your lens might be autofocusing on something, but if your viewfinder is all smudgy and dirty, then it's going to look like it's blurry. So clean your viewfinder. Once again, microfiber cloth, something very, very soft. Okay, last but not least, the 5th thing that you can do is turn the camera off and on again. Very simple. Just turn it off, turn it back on again. Off and on. You could do that, and if you really want to try and reset it, just take out the battery for a quick moment. Take out the battery for 30 seconds, and then put the camera's battery back in, and hopefully that fixes your problem if it just needed a little bit of a soft reset. But that's it. If you have a Nikon D3300 DSLR camera with an autofocus that is not working, these are some easy fixes in a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.